But again, there's certain kind of noise.
Okay, so I think most of listeners joined this thing. Okay, so let me start.
हेलो सर. हेलो
Yes.
सर, आप MS टीम पे ले सकते हैं क्योंकि उसमें उसमें ऐसी टाइम लिमिट नहीं होती.
MS Team.
माइक्रोसॉफ्ट टीम.
Okay, okay.
सर आपकी तरफ से कोई नॉइस कुछ आ रहा है?
Yes, sir. अभी नहीं आ रहा.
Sir, now no disturbance, sir.
Sir, it's all clear.
Now it's clear, sir.
यस सर, इट्स क्लियर.
I will take up the this how to read the newspaper.
So your screen.
Again started, sir. Sir, what setting did you made earlier, sir?
Not do anything. I don't know why there is disturbance. Yesterday there was no such disturbance. Is it fine now?
Now it's no, sir. No disturbance.
नो डिस्टर्बेंस सर, इट्स क्लियर नाउ.
Clear, sir. It's clear now.
So what you did, sir? No.
How to read this newspaper? This is the newspaper of today. Indian Express newspaper. You don't have to go through any of these means advertisement unless and until it is about the government scheme. Okay, you can avoid it completely. Now, all this information is not required for our examination. You can avoid them. Now we have certain information here. On the main page or the front page of the newspaper, there is lot of information, and most of them are political. So you can avoid them. Like there is one protest, there is one information. Ananya Pandey gets bail and then gets NCB call High Court to hear Aryan bail on October 26. You don't have to go through this news at all. You just have to read this headline and skip it because it is not required for our exam. You just have to know that the High Court hears the bail petition of Aryan or any other person. So you just have to link it with our syllabus and leave the other this detailed thing. And also you can focus upon this NCB. What is NCB? Narcotics Control Bureau. Which ministry is the nodal ministry for this body? So these all things you have to focus while reading the newspaper. Otherwise you don't have to read about this whole detail which is given here, which is not required for our examination. Again in this second news or the main news, vaccine William Nation. So we have crossed the 100 crore vaccine doses. So that is all the things that we need to know. And few informations are given here, like in 9 months we have crossed the 100 crore, 15 out of 100 doses in world given in India. These three informations are sufficient. You can skip this detail if you do not wish to, or if you do not have that much of the time. And also focus on these boxes also, because many times there are information which are important from our examination point of view. Like they have given all the trends, like how in last 279 days we have progressed. Okay, so they have also given the vaccine breakup of which vaccine is contributing to how much percentage of vaccine doses. Then there is one new challenge ahead: how to boost coverage of second dose. So it is an article given by this writer. It is explained. It is under the explained section of the Indian Express. So you have to go through this news. Wherever it is explained that it is written that explained and E, this symbol is there, then you have to go through that news because it will be explaining you the things that what are the challenges ahead, how India's vaccine coverage can be boosted, can be increased. So you have to go through this news. It is required. Again, there is a news that protests okay even on matters before court, but roads cannot be blocked. Supreme Court had said. You also have to go through this news as well, because whatever Supreme Court says about okay, so whatever Supreme Court says about these means larger issues like protests are okay, but the roads or the rights of individual or people or the citizens cannot be blocked. So that we have to know. Okay. So this news you can read. Hills, jungle, and a snake. How? Is it my own voice or somebody else's voice? Is this? How long is okay. Hills, jungles, and a snake. How vaccinators did it. So you can link this with our GS paper 4 because vaccinators have taken all the challenges on at their face, and they have faced hills, jungle, and snakes, everything. But even then, they have been able to vaccinate people. So this shows the commitment of the public servants in who are there in the government. So you can link this with the GS paper 4 syllabus, and you can write it as an example for GS 4. Okay, so this is how you can relate things with the syllabus. And government sets up a war room on movement of fertilizers. You can also go through this news because fertilizers is related with the agriculture, and agriculture is a very, very important issue in our country and as well as for the UPSC. So you have to go through this news also. These all news are with continued material of the front page only. So you can read news which are given on the front page. Okay, you can continue reading them on the second page as well. Now there is the city. You can avoid this particular page, and even if you not avoid them, you can go through the headlines like amid dengue spike, government reduces COVID beds, hospital cancels elective surgery. So you should know that there has been a dengue spike in Delhi, and government has shifted or diverted certain COVID beds towards the dengue. So that you should know. You don't have to go through all these details. Again, police ambassador meets Kejriwal. You can avoid this thing. Okay? These ads, you don't have to go through all these ads like Next IAS or any other ad is there. You can avoid them like these obituaries or any other HDFC ad. You don't have to go through them. Also, again, there is a page called City, the second page of the city. So you can read these headlines. Illegal structure in defense colony, high court persons religious panel. You can read this news because sometimes religious panel is being questioned by the high courts and Supreme Court. So they are some in a way related with the secularism concept of our country. So therefore it is related with the GS paper 1, specifically the Indian society. So you have to read these news in brief, not in detail. That you should not know everything about this news. You should just know that this thing has happened and what it relates to in this syllabus. And you can read this headline only. Half of those in 45 plus group fully vaccinated in capital. There is no need to go in detail. Again, this desecration FIR against Singhul lynching victim. It is also not required. Man shoots dead wife. It is not required. Police not farmers place barricades. That is not required. Because the news which are changing daily on the daily basis, you should not go through those news. Like on the Gazipur border, there would be certain happenings every day. So you should not be updated. You should not keep yourself updated with every happening there. You should only know that there has been a protest for last 1 year at Gazipur border, and what are the demands of the farmers. You should know only that. That is required, not more than that. Again, then there is a page on government and politics. So if any news is related with the parliament or with the government policies or with the Supreme Court orders, then you have to go through them. Otherwise, you can avoid them. Like Yogi said, Khalid's father hatching conspiracy with Achilles. So you should not, you don't have to know this news. This is not required for the exam. You can read this from your for your interest only. Otherwise, it is not required for exam. Calm tempers and RSS advises BJP ahead of assembly elections. So wherever this explained thing is given, then you have to go through that news, because there are many logics or the interrelated things would be written by that writer. So you would be able to relate those things, and you can relate that in exam as well. Therefore, this explained news becomes very, very essential. Then this news is there, like genuine NGOs need not shy away from regulatory compliance center to Supreme Court. Center has told in Supreme Court that genuine NGOs did not worry. So this news you have to know, because recently there was an amendment regarding the NGOs regulation, and you have to know that what is the stand of government on this particular issue. Okay, and then the cabinet approves 3% hike in DA for government employees. This is a general news. You can also go through this. Government panel okays Group 2 steer PM Gati Shakti plan. So whatever government approves or whatever government proposes, whatever government launches, you have to know about that. Apart from this political news, means you can leave these all political news, but you have to go through all the government news, whatever government is doing. Okay. You can skip this. Amir Khan's ad creates unrest among Hindus, Karnataka BJP MP Hegde has said. So you can avoid this news. It is also a kind of political news. Now coming to Express Network, it is about the national news. The Supreme Court may order probe into functioning of Hyderabad Cricket Association. So this news may have come on a particular event. I mean to say that it is not a news which is happening on a regular basis. It is pulled out of blue. So you don't have to worry about this news. They will never be asked. Okay. If this news keep on coming for 2 or 3 days, then you can go through that. What is the issue with the Hyderabad Cricket Association? You should know only that, and why Supreme Court is trying to or is proposing to order a probe. Similarly, I told you about the Gazipur border issue also. Like you know about the Gazipur border protests which are conducted by the farmers. So you should know only what is the issue and for how long it has been happening. So similarly, if this news keeps on coming for 2-3 days, then you have to go through that news. Otherwise, you can avoid that news. Okay. And then IED planted on tree detected during Punch bombing operation. So you can read just this headline, and you don't have to go through this whole news. You just have to know that there has been a new innovation done by these terrorists. They are planting IEDs on the trees. So you should know only this thing. Because in Jammu and Kashmir, every day you will find that certain shooting has happened, certain encounter has happened. You don't have to keep track of every such encounter or other such unfortunate events which are happening there. You see, any news about the election commission, you have to go through that. Like election commission on bypolls, it has said that no political activity in your constituency. So you should know about that. What is the stand of this election commission and what they have told. You should be aware about that, because it is given in our syllabus, main syllabus, under the heading of the constitutional bodies. Arms dropped by drone from Pakistan, Jammu and Kashmir cop among 2 heads. So it is a regular news, like arms are being dropped nowadays from Pakistan by using the drone. So you should not go through all this news. You should know that regularly it is happening. That is enough. That is enough for you for exam. You don't have to go through all these news. Arms and other these gender notice, they are of not any importance for our exam. Then the next page of the national news, like Gauri Lankesh murder. It is related with the Gauri Lankesh murder. This murder had happened when I had started my preparation in 2017. Still, this is going on. This case is going on. So, Supreme Court restores K. Koka against accused. So, you can go through this news in brief. Like, what is K. Koka? It is an act to control the organized crime, and what are the organized crimes, and all these things you can read. Okay, but you can avoid things which are happening at the very minute level, like a police officer said this thing, police officer, and whoever are the accused, they are brought from the jail, or they are what they call deposed through the video conferencing. So these details you don't have to know. You just have to know that the Supreme Court has the power to restore K. Koka, or whatever the detail there is in this news. I have not gone through this news. So that is all required. Terror funding case, courts discharges court. This is not required for exam point of view. You just know that terror funding is a concept and it happens, and what are the acts under which the terror funding is banned. So you should know only this thing. You don't have to know that court discharge 4 or 5 or whatever number is there. Then Lakhimpur SIT seeks custody of MOS son, 3 others. So this is also, you can read only this headline. You don't have to go through details, because this is a case where every day there are new events or new episodes are happening. So you don't have to keep track of everything happening. You just have to keep track that Lakhimpur incidents happened and what the SIT has been formed, and they are conducting investigation. That is all. Then MP classes. Sometimes classes are related with the religious issues or any such issue. Then you have to know that how one why did it happen? Like in somewhere there was some exodus of the migrants in Jammu and Kashmir. It is happening right now. So that you have to know, because of these regional issues or separatism issues, this is happening. So you should be able to relate the cause of clash with our syllabus in Indian society or any other part of our syllabus. And you can read these news also, like India UK exercise to focus on digital interoperability. It will come under the international relations. Now, then there is a news like 4-day Navy Commanders Conference ends. You just have to know that the Navy Commanders Conference happens every year, and you do not have to go through all this news, that who spoke what and who was awarded or anything like that. You just have to know that the Navy Commanders Conference happens every year, and who heads it, or that is all about this news. And you can skip all these advertisements. Then again this national news are there. So Jammu sub-judge convicted of rape cheating woman. So you can skip this thing. Nihang accused of killing Lakhbir may have taken him to Singhu side. This is also a daily event or daily happening. So you can avoid this as well. 5 trackers found dead in Kinnor, 4 still missing. So why you just have to go through what was the reason for their death if it is given in this article, because sometimes landslide or any other glacial lake outburst flood is there, then you have to know that it had happened there, but you don't have to know who were the trackers, from where they came. You just have to know the incident that it happened there. Also in raid hit Uttarakhand, Saha conducts aerial survey. So you don't have to read this in detail, that what Mr. Saha said, or how they conducted aerial survey through helicopter or through aeroplane, what they did. You just have to know that in Uttarakhand is now rain hit, and there is severe damage has happened, and the leaders or the ministers are conducting surveys there. So that is all about this news. Then again there is changing monsoon pattern led to October rain in Uttarakhand. It is about Uttarakhand, and there is a symbol of this explained. So you have to go through this whole news. It is very well related with our syllabus. Then center rolls out Veer Gatha project for school students. You have to go through this. Whatever government does, you have to go through that. You have to understand that what is the purpose of that particular initiative and those things. So Rajesh, I will take up your question. You have raised your hand. And this news, you don't have to track everything, like in which states are reporting most cases on daily basis. So you should know only the trend.
Hello, sir.
The cases are reducing and all these things. So not much detail is required here. Daughter looking for son forcibly taken Kerala CPM leader's book. This is also not a news relevant for our exam. Then this page is about the vaccine milestone, 1 billion jabs, the foot soldiers. So you can go through some of these news because sometimes they give good examples which we can quote in our GS paper 2 in governance or also in GS paper 4. So they have given certain examples of Jammu and Kashmir, Kerala, Odisha, Punjab, Telangana. You can take up 1 or 2 examples from here. But you don't have to read this whole article. But if you have time, you can go through them. But you don't have to read necessarily all these articles. So it is based upon your judicious decision that you can make. Then India hits 100 crore jab mark, a billion hearts light up. This is also repeat of the news which was there on the front page. So you may skip it. Government busy patting its back, but questions remain Congress. You can also skip it because it is about it is a political news because Congress is in opposition, so they will raise certain questions on the government. That is all. Now coming to I will come to the editorial in the end. Explained page you have to go through if it is related with our syllabus. Sometimes they give things which are not asked in our UPSC exam, so you can skip those news. I will show you some certain news like this news. With markets likely to stay strong with some correction, weighing the hybrid funds option. So you can skip this news because it is not required in our exam. It is not anyway connected with our syllabus. So you can skip this whole news in explained section as well. But you have to go through this news that they are mentioning that a reason for cheer and need to keep going. So they must have mentioned that how we have achieved this milestone and what is the road ahead. So all these things you can go through. Okay, then the world, it is about the international news. So you can read all these news about the international things like I mean to say that news which are there in our syllabus. Like I would give an example, like US Beijing Hanoi nominee once says China has been aggressor against India. So this news can be relevant sometimes because it is about the Beijing USA's USA's ambassador in China once said this thing, and it is also about India, so it becomes important. So you have to go through these news. Then Park's Qureshi makes first trip to Kabul since Taliban takeover. You can also go through this news because it is about the Afghanistan, and Afghanistan is an important place from the point of view of our exam. So you have to read this also. Then FDA gives note for mixing COVID-19 vaccines packs Moderna J&J boosters. So this is also to be read because it is a means new happening which have happened. Because there was a lot of proposals for mixing these COVID-19 vaccines, and now the FDA of US has given this approval. And also there is this explained symbol, so you have to go through this news. Moscow closing schools, businesses to virus death soar. You can avoid this news in detail. You just have to read this headline that in Russia the virus cases have been increased, so the schools and the businesses are being closed. Then FB's oversight board criticizes its policy on prominent users. This you can also go through. It must be about the Facebook policy because the corporate governance is there in our paper 4. So any issue related to corporate governance you can go through that. Facebook says will pay French publishers for news content. So this is also a new news. Facebook has agreed to pay to French publishers, so you can also go through this. Pakistan to remain on FATF grey list. you should also go through this because it is about Pakistan and again about the FATF, means it is related with the terror funding. So and terror funding becomes very very important from the India's point of view. So you have to go through this, and you can avoid this news. Man charged with murder of UK MP, because it is about the UK MP and man charged and who was accused and everything. You can avoid it. But if it becomes if you observe that it is recurring over 3 or 4 days, then you can go through a news regarding that what happened and who was the accused and what was its reasons and everything. Otherwise, you don't have to read such news. 4 killed in gas explosions in BBQ restaurant. You can avoid this news also. Ex-cop gets 57 months in killing of 911 caller. So you can take a call whether to read it or not. It is also not that much important. Then China boots Caixin financial news from list of approved media. You have to go through such news because whatever China does, you have to know about them. You must be updated about those things. That what is China doing, how they are curtailing the human rights, or how they are curtailing the rights of media. So all these things you must know. So you have to go through their news about the China also. Now what is this? It's timed before Trump finds backing for his own media venture. So you can take an overview of this news, that what the Trump is doing means he must have initiated certain new media venture, and some other people have started to support that particular media venture. So you must know only this thing. Not much detail is required that who is supporting Trump and who is not supporting Trump. That is not required. Okay. So they
Hello, sir.
International relations or this world page. Now you can avoid all these things, advertisements. Now you have to read the economy also is an important part of our syllabus, which is there in the newspaper. So here they give the sector watch, means the Indian Express gives detail of a particular sector like agriculture, telecom, pharmaceuticals, electricity, power. So they will give one article here in this place here. So you have to go through that article, because to understand better a particular sector, you must know the details of that sector, what is happening in that sector. You have to go through that. Bombay High Court asks GIL to hold EGM as proposed by Invesco. So this is also about the corporate government. So Bombay High Court has directed this GIL company to hold an EGM. So you have to read about that what was the issue, or what are the requirements which are not followed by the GIL under the Companies Act. So you must know all these things. So you can go through this article, and if this article is being repeated again and again, then you don't have to go on daily basis. You just know the basics of that particular issue, and that is it. You don't have to keep track of everything, that the EGM has happened or not happened yet. So that is not required. Then again, Amazon moves Supreme Court against NCLT note to future retail shareholders meet. Amazon moves Supreme Court against NCLT note to future retail shareholders meet. So this issue is also an old one. So you don't have to read this whole article. You just know that what are the basics of this issue. That what is the direction which is given by the NCLT to future retail, and what are their impacts, what is it related to. So these all things you must know, but you don't have to go through this complete article on daily basis. And Puri, economic growth accelerating. Puri means our minister has said this thing. So you have to know, you have to read this thing, that what is the view of our government on the issue of the economic growth. Then US 5 European nations reach deal to drop digital services tax. You have to go through this news as well, because it is an international news, international economy news. So you should know about this. Google to have Play Store fee for subscription apps from January. You can avoid this. You just have to know this headline, that they are going to reduce the price of apps. When you can avoid this thing briefly, whatever they have mentioned here, they they will mention that this MD has been appointed and the profit of this company has improved or decreased, whatever. So this section you can avoid completely. Then if any article like this is given, then you have to read like inflation risk from high energy prices. So energy prices are increasing, so therefore inflation may increase in future. So they must have explained this thing here. So you have to go through such articles also, and then again avoid all these advertisements. Okay, so China Watch. So this is the China's view. Sometimes they give such news which are advertisements by the Chinese government or the Chinese agencies. So you may skip these things because sometimes they show the anti-India stand, or sometimes they want to prove that the China is doing right with respect to India. So these things you can skip. But if sometimes it comes that India and China are working together on particular issue like climate change, then you have to read those news because India and China cooperation becomes very, very essential on such issues. Okay, so seed banks provide vital lifeline for future. World urged to come together to help safeguard biodiversity. You can skip these news, but you can keep track of such news. Seed banks provide vital lifeline for future. So seed bank is one of the unique concept. So you can go through that, how China did these things. So we can imitate these things in India as well. In the swim for up to 10 million years. So I don't know about what this news article is. You can skip this news. Then again, China Watch is there. Rural China turns its hand to artistic field. You can avoid all these things. Then about sports. Like sports become an important area nowadays because in the prelims there were 3-4 questions asked, but you don't have to go through everything in sports. You just have to go through major events like Olympics are going on, or any ICC World Cup is going on. Then you don't have to go through every detail of the ICC World Cup. You must only know that the ICC T20 World Cup will happen in October or November, whatever month, and who was the winner. That is it. Not more than that. You don't have to track everything in the sports thing. And also, if certain Olympics or South Asian Games or things like that are happening, then you have to just know who were the winner and who won the most of the medals. That is it. You don't have to read every such news about the sports, okay? Because it will take up a lot of time, and that is not required because every now and then UPSC gives such bouncers which are beyond our thinking. So you don't have to worry about them. You will see next. You can see that next time there may not be any question on the sports for next 4-5 years. So you don't have to worry about such things. Okay, so we have 5 minutes. I will give you this overview about this editorial articles, what you have to read in editorials. These are the editorials. So you have to read these two editorials which are given by the newspaper itself. First one is this one, second is below this. You can avoid this third article because many times they give very humorous articles and which are not relevant for our exam point of view. So these two articles are important. Then made in India, made by India. So our Honorable Prime Minister has written this article. So you must read these articles. So whatever articles are written by government functionaries or government secretaries or ministers or president, vice president, you must go through those articles for sure. You cannot skip those articles. And again, there is a news by not a zero-sum affair. There must be a no going back to trade protectionism of earlier decades. Prabhas Ranjan. So this is about the trade protectionism which is going on around the world. So you can go through such articles because you will be able to know that in which country what kind of protectionist measures are being taken. So you have to go through such articles. You skip this thing 40 years ago. You don't have to read this. And on the ideas page, there is one article, this the 40% promise. Congress move in UP sets of ripples. Give Given half a chance, women can bring new energy into our stagnant politics. So wherever such a dimension is covered, like women representation can bring new energy in the politics, or women representatives are lacking, how to improve them, then you can go through such articles. Otherwise, if it would have been only about Congress, then we can skip such articles. Okay. And then one article, landmark and beyond, as India's vaccination drive reaches a milestone, it must stay the course and prepare for future pandemics. So this article you have to go, because this is about the few suggestions about how to tackle the future pandemics which may happen in future. And now you can skip this thing, letter to editor. And there is one more article. Gurna and the Sea of Stories. The Nobel laureate is the storyteller of the global history of the Indian Ocean. So it depends upon your interest. You can skip this article, but it is better to go through such articles because sometimes you can be asked in the prelims like who was the Nobel laureate of the literature, or for what he was given the Nobel Prize. So you will be able to recall that because it is about the Indian Ocean, then you will be able to recall that the writer was given the Nobel because of his articles about Indian Ocean and such things. So you can go through such articles on the basis of your interest. So that is all about the newspaper reading. And also you can highlight certain keywords in such articles. Okay, like if there is certain technical words are given, then you can go through them. I will show you this thing also, and you must highlight them. Like India completed this, our Prime Minister has written this article. Like they have given this term, an unknown and invisible enemy mutating rapidly. So it is about the COVID virus. So you can also remember this particular key term, and you can write it in your essay or in your paper 3, and even in paper 2. So in conclusion or in introduction part. So these type of catchy phrases can be used in our answers, and you can make a collection of such phrases in one of the small booklet or a small copy wherever you want to make, or in soft form. So, and also the journey from anxiety to assurance. This is also a catchy phrase. Like we had anxiety during our initial phase of COVID, and now we have assurance that we are vaccinated and the COVID will not spread much. So that is all about the newspaper reading. So we have less than 1 minute. So Rajesh, what do you want to ask? You can ask now.
Sir, how much time you were taking to complete newspaper, sir, and were you making notes?
So for finishing the newspaper, initially you will take up to 2.5 hours, or maybe 3 hours also. That is not a worry. But later on, you must reduce your time of reading the newspaper. You can take it up to the 1 or 1.5 hours. That is sufficient, not more than that. So in the beginning, you don't have to, you just read the newspaper. It will take up to 2.5 hours or 3 hours. Let it be. Don't worry about it.
Sir, can you tell us about your timetable?
I will take up another